If your MacBook desktop has started to feel cluttered with widgets, you're definitely not alone. While widgets can be useful for quick information like weather, calendar events, or reminders, having too many of them on your desktop can make things look messy and even distracting. Sometimes they appear automatically after updates or get added while exploring features, and not everyone knows how to remove them cleanly. The tricky part is that widgets behave a little differently depending on how they were added, which can make it confusing at first. The good thing is that removing them is actually very simple once you know the exact steps. In just a few moments, you can clear up your desktop and get back to a clean, distraction free workspace. Try these. Step 1. Move your cursor over the widget you want to remove. Step 2. Right click on the widget. Step 3. Select Remove Widget from the menu that appears. Step 4. If prompted, confirm the removal. Step 5. Repeat the same steps for any other widgets you want to delete. Step 6. Click on an empty area of the desktop to finish and view the clean layout.